Welcome back students to our next session. Over here we are going to discuss the formation of land breeze and sea breeze. Now what do we understand by land breeze and sea breeze? Now let us first understand what is sea breeze. During daytime, suppose this is the portion of land. This is the portion of land. This is the portion of land and this be the portion of sea. During daytime, land easily gets up heated as compared to sea. Now, as soon as the land gets heated, the air above the land also gets subheated, and we know that warm air is lighter than the cooler air and it rises up. So the warm air rises up. Warm air rises up. As soon as the warm air rises up, there is a vacant position created over here. To fill up that vacant position, the cooler air from the sea goes towards the land and hence lead to the formation of sea breeze. This is nothing but formation of sea breeze. This is the formation of sea breeze. I repeat, during daytime when sun is there, the lands get up heated more easily as compared to sea. As the land gets up heated, the air above the land also gets up heated and the warm air easily rises up. As soon as the warm air rises up, there is a vacant position created over here. To fill up this vacant position, the cooler air from above the sea rushes towards the land, hence form sea breeze. Now the next one, the formation of land breeze. The opposite thing happens during night. Suppose again this is our land and this is sea. During night, when moon is over there, the land cools down more easily and more quickly as compared to sea. The air above sea is still warmer, and we know that warm air rises up. As soon as the warm air rises up above the sea, there is a vacant position created above the sea. To fill up this vacant position, the cooler air from the land rushes towards the sea and hence lead to the formation of land breeze. I repeat, during night, the land cools up more quickly as compared to sea water. So the air above the sea water is still warmer, and we know that warm air rises up. As soon as the warm air above the sea rises up, there is a vacant position created above the sea. To fill up this vacant position, the cooler air from the land rushes towards the sea, hence giving rise to land breeze. So we have understood what is land breeze and sea breeze, and this is the fourth most important example of convection. That is the second process by which heat travels. Now the third, the last but not the least one is radiation. The third process is radiation. Now, what is radiation? First, let us understand the process of radiation. Radiation is a process by which heat travels without the help of a material medium. See, both in conduction and convection, we have seen that heat is flowing either through solid in case of conduction or in case of liquid and gases, heat travel by the process of convection. But if there is no material medium, that is, if there is no solid, liquid or gaseous medium, then also heat can travel by the process of radiation. Number 1, conduction, which is generally seen in case of solid. Number 2, liquid and gases are poor conductors of heat. So the process of convection is generally seen either in case of liquid or in case of gas. Number 3, radiation. If there is no material medium at all, no material medium, then heat travels by the process of radiation. Now heat is radiated by a body which depends on its temperature. So one important factor in radiation is the temperature of the body. Radiation depends on temperature of a body. So more the temperature of a body, more the body will radiate heat. Lesser the temperature of the body, lesser heat will be radiated by the body. The heat which a body radiates after getting heated is known as radiant heat or radiant energy. So we have understood what is radiant heat or radiant energy. The heat which a body after getting heated is giving out is known as radiant heat or radiant energy. Dear students, in our next session we are going to understand more about radiation. Thank you.